welcome back! Today I'm standing at the bottom of the Hudson Bay Mountain in beautiful British Columbia. Today we will be talking about raptors. Whoa, look out, Teegan! That's okay, little buddy. We're talking about different raptors today. We're talking about birds of prey. But it is believed that all birds are descendants of the dinosaurs. These animals I have found incredibly interesting and have been studying and viewing them in the wild for the past couple of years now. First up, we will be talking about the bald eagle. Bald eagles can live long lives. The oldest known died at the age of 38. These birds are found throughout Canada and the United States of America. The females are typically larger than the males. Their bones are hollow and their wings are light, making it easy to float and swim to catch fish and other sea prey. Bald eagles are a type of sea eagle. The bald eagle is the second largest bird of prey in North America. Only the condor is larger. Bald eagles aren't actually bald. They just have white feathers on top of their head once they reach maturity. The eyes, beak, and feet of this majestic bird are yellow in color. Juvenile bald eagles are commonly mistaken for golden eagles due to their coloring. They don't reach maturity until they are 5 years old. Have you ever wondered why bald eagles are photographed from the side? Bald eagles mate for life. They can mate anytime during the year. Bald eagles build their nests up in high trees, and their nests can be up to 13 feet deep and 8 feet wide. That is comparable size to a small car. Bald eagles will do anything to protect their nests and will attack anything that goes to disturb it. They like to live near large bodies of water because 50% of their diet is fish. They spot a fish on the surface of the water and dive bomb them using their talons.
Oh, Billy.
They'll also eat small birds, mammals, reptiles, and amphibians. This is a video clip from a local Vancouver Island fisherman who saw an octopus while boating, fighting with a bald eagle that tried to hunt it. Once I got to witness an amazing event. I got to see a live eagle release on Vancouver Island in the Recovery Center. It was spectacular. How wide are your wings? The next bird of prey we're talking about is the turkey vulture. The turkey vulture is a large bird of prey that can live up to 20 years in the wild. Turkey vultures are found throughout North America and many other parts of the world. Turkey vultures are scavengers. A scavenger is an animal that does not kill its own prey but finds dead carcasses. They like to find carrion.
Carry on my wayward
Carrion is the flesh of an already dead animal. They have a small red head that is not covered by feathers. Their heads are bald to make it harder for bacteria to grow on their feathers. Their nostrils are a singular hole on top of their beaks. The large holes in their noses prevent them from choking when their head is deep in prey. They have a long silver tail and silver wingtips. They look very wobbly and unsteady, especially in high winds. They use thermal air patterns to soar and save energy by not having to flap their wings. They fly in groups called kettles. They can be found regularly flying over open areas searching for food.
I can see you down there.
They have superior sense of smell and can smell carrion from over a mile away. Want to hear something gross, little buddy? Of course I do. When it feels threatened, it can projectile vomit on an animal from up to 10 feet away. That's super gross.
Yeah, dude.
Also, in hot weather, they poop on their legs to keep them cool. I heard enough about this gross animal. Yeah, I think so too. Next, we will be talking about the red-tailed hawk, one of the most common and visible birds of prey. You can probably guess why it's called the red-tailed hawk. Because it's reddish-orange tail. They can be found all over North America. You've probably all seen one at some point, you just don't know it. As you can see, they're really good at hiding. It's like Where's Waldo, Bird Edition. Their diet is mostly small mammals, but also includes birds and reptiles. They can be found in deserts, forests, fields, or urban areas. These birds are found pretty much everywhere. They have an eyesight that's 8 times better than humans. They can see a rabbit in a field from 1.5 kilometers away. Catch prey at over 190 kilometers per hour. They often hunt in pairs, while one of them attacks and the other blocks off all escape routes. What are you scared of, little mouse? The hawk. I'm definitely scared of the hawk. The cry of a red-tailed hawk is a hoarse, raspy scream, similar to a steam whistle. It's believed that seeing a red-tailed hawk shows they're on the right path in life. The next bird of prey we'll be talking about is a highly opportunistic hunter. Their calls are like, "Who cooks for you? Who cooks for you?" Any guesses? If you haven't already guessed, this highly vocal animal is the barred owl. The barred owl is a fairly large owl with a rounded head and no tufts on its ears. disc is gray and brown in color with dark outlines. They live up to 10 years in the wild and found all over North America. They live in dense foliage during the day, often high up in trees. The barred owl is a nocturnal bird. Nocturnal is an animal that sleeps during the day and comes out during the night.
Is this why my pet hedgehog Reggie always makes noise at night?
That's right, little buddy. Hedgehogs are nocturnal like other pets, including hamsters and guinea pigs.
Oh, Reggie.
They're opportunistic hunters that eat mostly rats, squirrels, and occasionally small fish. Some have a pink belly, thought to have come from a high diet of crayfish.
Pig belly, pig belly, pig belly.
All right, break it up, boys. That belly ain't gonna get any pink.
It'll sit on a perch and dive bomb its prey.
Wow.
Barred owls can become incredibly territorial, especially when they're nesting. They chase away their intruders by aggressively hooting and clawing with their talons. This includes humans. But they're so darn cute.
I would say
Now guys, we are at the #1 spot. I hope you're excited for this because this is my favorite bird of prey. Allow me to introduce the Peregrine Falcon. The Peregrine Falcon is among the most largest and most powerful species of falcon. Next to the Millennium Falcon, of course. They have long, bluntly pointed wings and a short tail. The crown of their head is dark and they have a black mustache. They're the world's fastest animal. Even faster than the cheetah. They can reach speeds of up to 320 kilometers per hour.
And the winner is...
The word peregrine also means wanderer or pilgrim, which explains why they can travel as much as 15,000 miles every year. They have vision 8 times better than a human. They can see prey from nearly 3 kilometers away. Peregrine falcons mostly live in the country. They live in marshes, estuaries, and farmland. They mostly feed on fellow birds, but sometimes eat small mammals on occasion.
Yummy!
The large decline in peregrine falcon population is mostly due to pesticides.
Want to hear a bird joke, Teegan?
Sure.
Why do seagulls live by the sea? If they lived by the bay, they would be called bagels.
That is so funny. Here are some of the conservation methods you can take to help bird of prey populations rise again. Make a donation to your favorite raptor recovery center. Never throw trash out your car window. Dispose of fishing line and other litter properly. Use lead-free hunting and fishing gear to avoid accidental poisoning. Follow your local game laws. Do not use poisons to eradicate weeds. Often these chemicals enter the food chains and indirectly poison raptors. Thank you guys for tuning in to this Teegan Talks episode. I really hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the bell to make sure you never miss any videos. Alright, keep calm and adventure on!